Howdy folks, Nick coming to you here, larger than life on the biggest and baddest sun-smashing TV this side of the Mississippi, Texas TV. Now listen, I know what you're thinking. Nick, TVs are for the inside. Well, I say bless your heart and upgrade your backyard. This ain't your grandma's patio TV. This beast, right here, we're talking 5,000 nits of pure sun-burning glory. Translation, no glare. No squinting. No wait till the sun sets. You get 1080p of high-def, eye-melting football, movies, and memes at high noon. You ever watch your team miss a field goal on the 10-foot screen while smoking ribs? You will now. Here's what you're getting. A high-resolution screen, IP65 rated, weather don't scare it, massive sizes up to over 10 feet wide. Commercial or residential, because your restaurant patio deserves respect too. It's waterproof, dustproof, and even barbecue sauce proof. It's basically a Ford F-350 of televisions, but sexier. You want your neighbors jealous? You want strangers showing up with folding chairs and some queso? You want to be the king of the cul-de-sac? Then don't buy some rinky-dink outdoor TV in a box off the internet. Go Texas big. Call us. We deliver. We install. You party. Texas TV, where sunlight gets humbled and your backyard becomes legendary.